Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing our Spring Fab Fit Fun unboxing. And this is what the box looks like this month. Very pretty butterflies. I love this packaging. Really gives you the spring vibes. The first item I wanted to share with you guys is these marble coasters. I got these as an add-on. They did not come in the box. They were $19.99, I believe, which is a good deal, and they're really heavy duty. They're good. They seem to be a good quality. And I have some like this already, but they do not have the gloss finish like these do. So you can't really wipe them clean. So when you get like residue from a cup, it stains. And these have like a glossy coating over the top. So hopefully we'll be able to clean these a lot easier. And the brand on them, if you're wondering, is Caravan, I guess is how you say it. Now let's go ahead and see what's in the box. It has Gina Rodriguez on it this month. The first thing that I got is this cardigan sweater, kind of a pullover. Hard for you to really see the full thing on camera, but it's a longer pullover. And it's by the brand Donnie. And it's a one size fits all. And the details on that says, transition into spring with this relaxed cardigan that complements all shapes and sizes. It says it retails for $99. Wow. $99 for a cardigan. I mean, they're nice to have, but definitely not something that I would pay $99 for. Next, by Calpac, we got these packing cubes in a set of 3. So we have smaller one, medium, and large. And I really like these two because they have zippers on the back and you can store additional items inside the back of them. So those will definitely come in handy. I have an upcoming trip to Disney World, so I'll definitely be using those. The details on that says, packing just got a lot easier thanks to these handy packing cubes. It says they retail for $40, so that's not bad for 3 of them. And then we have by the brand Way, I believe is how you say it. They're 2-in-1 Purifying Glow Mask Collection. And this is what the inside looks like. So it looks like you have several masks and also a brush, which is nice. Details on this one says, use the brown sugar mask for a radiant complexion or the golden root mask to deeply cleanse the skin. And it says it retails for $45. So it looks like you get 4 of the brown sugar and 4 of the golden root, which is nice. So that should last a little while. I love trying new masks. And then we have by Jaboneria Marianella. I probably butchered the name. But it's rosewood and Litsi Kibuba. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing any of this right. Body oil with mongongo and pomegranate oil. It's a 4-ounce premium oil and vitamin blend. It says moisturize and replenish the skin with 100% pure oils and vitamins. It says it retails for $68. Never heard of that brand, but may have to give it a try. Next we have by AG Hair Care their Fast Food Leave-On Conditioner. And it says it's for moisture, and that's a 6-ounce, so it's a full size, a nice size bottle. It says dealing with frizzy or dry hair, use the Leave-On Conditioner to moisturize and help smooth split ends, and it retails for $24. Then we have by This Works a Deep Sleep Body Cocoon. It says it's a multitasking beauty sleep savior for better nights and brighter mornings. It's a 3.3 ounce. It says on that one, it says use this cream to bring calm and relaxation while nourishing your skin, and it retails for $40. We have by Chic and Tonic their silicone straws. It says it's 4 silicone straws, a brush cleaner, and a plastic case. Well, that's cool. Oh, okay, so there's the straws and the brush. I guess this is like a plastic case you could put the straws in to take them with you because they do bend, so they would fit down in there. It says this set includes 4 silicone straws, a brush cleaner, and carrying case, so you can sip your drinks on the go, and it retails for $15. So that's really cool. That's something I probably wouldn't have bought myself, to be honest, even though I should. So it's nice to get that in a box. And then our last item is by Pure Lease. Their Watermelon Energizing 2-Minute Polishing Peel. It says it's for all skin types, 2.5 ounces. And here it says infused with extracts of watermelon and lychee and glycolic acid. This polish will give your skin a burst of freshness, and it retails for $35. And there's what the packaging looks like. Very cute. And as usual, we have our HelloFresh gift card for 9 free meals. And this time we also have a coupon from Bite that you can get your impression kit for $24.99 and then $200 off of the aligners. So that's a good deal too. And that's all I got this month, guys, in my FabFitFun. If you're interested in subscribing, it is a seasonal subscription, and I'll leave a link down below where you can sign up. You get it once every season, so our next box will be summer, which I'm super excited for. This is one of my favorite subscriptions because of the variety of items we get. As you can see, we have some home/kitchen items with the straws. We have the cardigan, skincare, hair care. They give beauty, fitness. They have all different categories of items you can receive. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe before you leave if you haven't already. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye.